Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Wi-Fi in your Jio Keypad phone. First, access your phone's menu and navigate to the Settings option. Look for Wi-Fi or WLAN within the Network Settings section. Confirm that the Wi-Fi toggle is set to On, allowing your device to effectively search for all available networks. This initial step is absolutely crucial for a successful and stable connection. Once Wi-Fi is active, your phone will automatically start scanning for nearby networks. You will then see a list appear, displaying all the available Wi-Fi connections in your area. Carefully scroll through this list and select the specific network you wish to join, perhaps your home or office network. Ensure you choose the correct network name to proceed smoothly. Most Wi-Fi networks are password protected for security reasons. After selecting your desired network, you will be prompted to enter the Wi-Fi password. Type this password carefully using your keypad phone's input method, ensuring accuracy for every character. Once entered, confirm your selection to initiate the connection. Your phone should then attempt to establish a secure link to the Wi-Fi network. If your phone fails to connect, first double-check the Wi-Fi password for any typing errors. Even a single mistake can prevent access. You might also try restarting both your phone and the Wi-Fi router, which often resolves minor connectivity issues. Once successfully connected, a small Wi-Fi icon will appear on your phone's status bar, indicating a stable internet link. Enjoy faster browsing and data savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.